How is it that those things are so big, but they're completely quiet? They just like kind of roll in like ghosts. Which one is it?
Burns Harbor.
I bet we'd catch the Burns Harbor coming in, catch it in the locks, grab a pint, and then get it on the way out. That's the Burns Harbor, and this is the Soo Locks. And most people don't know this, but the ships are still running, and they'll run till mid-January.
I don't even understand how a boat this big goes this slow and precise into the lock. It's crazy to me because there's like no room for error.
All right, we gotta hurry because the ship's just getting into the lock.
Cheers.
So hit us with some facts.
It was built in 1980. It's 989 feet long, which
Not quite 1,000 footer?
I think it's classified as 1,000 footer, round up. 35,652 gross tonnage. Not sure where those facts are, but cheers.
Ready?
Yep, let's go.
Last leg of this is to catch it at Rotary Park and send it on its way through the straits.